Welcome to CHD Mini Pose tutorial. In this video learn how to set PLU printing on kitchen printer. Before making the relevant PLU settings, check that you have set and accordingly configured the kitchen printer. Start by swiping down the upper bar of the screen, and tap the menu dots in the right corner. Select Launch Configurator. Tap the menu bars in the upper left corner. And select PRG mode. Tap Section 5. Here, tap the plus symbol to open the settings window of a new PLU group. In this window, check the number of the PLU group. And, enter the PLU group name using the screen keyboard. From the kitchen printer option list, select the relevant kitchen printer. To add it to this particular group, tap Confirm. Next tap Section 3. In this section, you can configure the PLU items that you wish to print on the kitchen printer, by implementing the following steps. First, select the required PLU item. Tap the Edit symbol to open the settings window of the relevant PLU item. Scroll up the settings window, and in setting number 10, PLU group, select the required group from the drop-down list. Now, when registering the particular item in the receipt, it will be printed also on the kitchen printer. Tap Confirm. Configure the same setting for other PLU items, as required. And when you're done, to return to Mini Pose, tap the back symbol. Congratulations! Now you know how to set PLU printing on kitchen printer. Thank you for watching this tutorial.